Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find deleted messages on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. First of all, open a WhatsApp app, then go to the chat, and here you can see this message has been deleted. So to read this message, we will export this chat into PDF. To convert this chat into PDF, we have to go on this three dotted button, which is top right corner of the screen. Hit on it, and here you have to hit on more. Once you will hit on more, then here you will see this option, which is export chat. Export this chat to any of your contact. Like I'm going to send this chat to me, and this chat has been sent it to me. Once you will open up your chat, then you will be able to read all your delete messages over here. And that's it guys. This is how to find delete messages on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.